I'm about to go outside in my driveway. There's some strange noises we've been hearing for a long time. We don't know what type of animal this could be, but it sounds very weird. I'm in the city of Philadelphia, and we don't hear weird animals like this. And I'm gonna go out there right now. Hopefully, you'll hear it. It's like a strange, weird cat type thing. Right now, you hear the neighbor's dog barking. If you can hear that, it sounds weird out here. Hopefully, you can hear it. Probably just hearing cars right now ride by. But you'll hear it pretty soon if the Lord is willing. You hear that? Told you. What is that? You hear it? Like some type of screaming banshee. What is that? What is that? I mean, even the dogs can hear it in my neighbor's yard. Like, I don't know what they got going on behind our houses, but it's something suspicious around this neighborhood, man. You got a Walmart right around the corner from us, or some type of concentration camp, or some type of FEMA camp. There's like a lot of weird industrial facilities around my house right now. And we got this type noise. I don't know what that is. Listen, I'm in the city of Philly. You hear me? We don't hear nothing like this. So I don't know, YouTube. Y'all decide what this is. If there's any wildlife experts here in this video, come check us out. Live from 215. You hear me? All praises to the Most High. For everything, first and foremost, for giving us life. Allow me to hear what this is. Maybe we got some wildlife that I don't know about him, or we don't know about. Let me just be quiet for y'all to hear this. Hope this video is not getting overpowered by the cars riding by, but I know y'all just heard what I heard. And this happens every summer, close to every summer we start hearing this. Because I remember when we first moved into in our house, it was about around this time, and we was hearing the same type of sound. Maybe because it's mating season, wherever that is out there want to meet. But